What is the nature of opportunity from Agentic AI? I described to you that there's about 3 to 5 trillion of opportunity. When we break it up, 87% of that value creation requires fundamental transformation and redesign of business processes. That creates opportunity for service providers. You can bring your design thinking, you can bring your system integration capabilities, your data engineering capabilities to actually enable organizations, your customers, to do this transformation. The second thing that we looked at is how much of that 87% would use prepackaged standard agents versus would require vertical specific custom agents. 45% of the value can be captured by prepackaged standard agents, but another 42% will require building custom agents for different verticals and domains. Both of these, by the way, represent opportunities. For prepackaged agents, you will actually need configuration and implementation, but custom agents represent a significant incremental opportunity for service providers. Today, service providers are actually playing in a market that is about 1.7 to 1.8 trillion. But there are revenue pools that are adjacent to this market that open up by applying Agentic AI. First is new offerings and services, AI, MLOps, increase in more infrastructure services, etc. That creates another 1.5 to 1.7 trillion of opportunity. But more importantly, the horizontal agents that I described, which are disrupting the G&A or sales functions, and the vertical custom agents, which is the last bar on the right-hand side, represent significant incremental potential for the service providers. So that's the opportunity for the service providers. What does it take to capture this opportunity? It requires the service providers to bring together a certain set of capability. One is their domain expertise. Second is their really deep knowledge of the customer's workflows. We know that a lot of these workflows are not documented, and frankly, there is a deep understanding that is needed to actually be able to create agents for these workflows. So those two are clear capabilities and starting point where service providers are differentiated. But they have to combine that capability with other sets of capabilities, which is first, ability to actually deploy and manage these agents. So you need an agent orchestration platform. Second, AI risk is a real concern because you have autonomous agents who are working around in your workflows. So your ability to monitor, validate, and manage from a security perspective these agents is also critical. Again, that begs the question, can the existing team that is working on existing processes in existing ways reimagine the business this way? Or do you need an AI native business within a business to actually capture the opportunity?